Hi everybody, this is going to be a quick tutorial on how to turn subject lines on in iMessage. Super excited about this feature. I think that this is going to really change the game. Can't wait to share it with all of you. And shout out to my boys Jack and Michael. This one's for you. I think you're really going to like this. But hopefully everybody's going to find this tutorial helpful, easy to understand. Yeah, so first, you're going to want to go to settings on your phone. That's that little gear icon down here. Um, and if you're at the top, should open, look like this. And then just scroll on down to messages, should be under phone. So scroll messages, and then you can just scroll on down to where the little subheading that says SMS slash MMS. Right there under group messaging, you'll see show subject field. If it's off, it's going to look like this. And so then all you're going to want to do is tap that so that it slides over to the green. And that's it. So let me just show you, like, for example, and so see there we have subject, and I can go hi or a new message. And then you can put the text down there. Okay, and that's it. Hope you all enjoyed the tutorial.